Hello everyone, it's Ronke here from Niger Foodie. Today I'm going to be showing you how to use an acidifier to extend the life of your yam. So as most of us know, once you cut yam and you leave it for a couple of days, it will start to go bad. And this is because there's bacteria that starts to grow on it. So in this video, I'm doing two segments, one that I'm applying acidifier to and the other part that I'm not applying any acidifier to. I've kept this two pieces in my pantry for about 2 weeks. The one on my right is the one that I didn't apply anyone to, and the one on my left, which is the bottom part, is the one that I did apply acidifier to. So I'm going to be cutting it just to show you what happened to the one that I did not apply any acidifier to. Like I said at the beginning, there's so many different kinds of acidifiers that you can use. Usually when you apply an acidifier to food, it extends the shelf life and inhibits bacterial growth. So it's very, very difficult for bacteria to actually grow in an acidic environment. And there are lots of acidifiers that we use every day in our kitchen that you can apply to your yam. So as you can see, this is the one that I didn't apply anything to. I'm cutting it just to show how bad the bacterial growth has actually gone. And I'm cutting and cutting and hoping that I get to a point where the thing is still good, but it's looking like the entire half of the yam has actually gone bad. And as you can see, it's like it spreads and it's spreading and spreading all the way to the base. So again, this is because there was no inhibitor to prevent the growth of bacteria. Now, let's look at the one that we did apply the acidifier to. So remember, I just dipped the hands in. Now I'm cutting it to kind of like show you guys if any part of it is bad. Boom. Okay. Does it look good right now? Let's cut it again. And as you can see, it is still good. It's still good all the way through. I'm going to be cutting it in half just to show you guys that it is good all the way through. So the acidifiers that you can use, vinegar, which is what I used in this video, lemon and lime as well. Those are the acidifiers.